Hi, this is Mel. Today we're going to make cut green beans, frozen green beans curry. And this is very simple. You can make it really tasty. So I have in my pan a little bit of olive oil. To this I have cumin seed and asafoetida. I'm going to heat this one up a little bit, and to that I will put this onion, ginger, garlic. So I have one small onion and 2 cloves of garlic and about an inch thick ginger. So I'll cut up and into that the onion, ginger, garlic. I'm going to cook this one about 5 minutes until this is brown and soft. So my cooking is very simple, tasty, and easy on the wallet. So I use very few ingredients and make good, healthy, tasty food. So this will take 5 minutes to brown it up, and then I'm going to add my green beans. So these are 2 packages of frozen cut green beans. These are pre-cut already, comes frozen like this. So this green bean. So to that I have some salt, turmeric, garam masala, my green beans. So these are 2 packages of frozen cut green beans. These are pre-cut already, comes frozen like this. So this green bean. So to that I have some salt, turmeric, garam masala, and a spicy vegetable masala. That's all. So once the onions are brown, then I'll add the beans and the spices together and add a sprinkle, little bit of water, and cover the lid with the temperature very low. And ginger garlic is cooking. It's brown to death. And the spicy. So now all we need to do is just mix them all together and put a little bit of water. When it is frozen, it will release some water, but to be safe, I add just a little bit of water. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, and then I'll cook it uncovered for 10 minutes to make sure it's all cooked and mixed and nice. So you do it according to your taste, and then I'll show you a final product. This is very simple, easy, vegetarian, vegan cooking, and you can add to this potatoes and some sauteed up tofu if you like, whatever you feel like it. So I'll see you as soon as it's cooked, and then I'll give you a pic. So here's the spicy beans curry. It's made from frozen beans. You can make it from fresh beans as well, and it tastes awesome, easy and simple to make, and just 4 ingredients. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Let's make cooking simple, easy, and easy on the wallet.